How would you like to, as an Agile project manager running multiple teams, how would you like to be able to organize all those teams so they could organize and work in a productive manner? You would like that, right? That's what you want. Hello, my name is Tim McDermott. I'm a software development project manager. I live in the beautiful city of Tampa Bay, and Tampa is known for it's a big city, but it's also known for being a great outdoor spot, and with lots of beaches. There's one behind me. This is called Mobby Beach Park. It's beautiful. I came here to hike a trail that's near here. It's supposed to be very beautiful. Okay. Here's some guidelines on how to structure, when you're running multiple teams, how do you structure those teams to work together efficiently? For the individual teams, though, you want to structure, this one point is make sure that the people in the role have work to do that fits their strengths. Otherwise, they're not going to be very happy and cooperate very well, etc. So look at their strengths and make sure that they're getting to exercise those doing while they're working on these teams. Another idea for a guideline is to minimize the number of people on multiple teams. You want one person working on one team. Otherwise, they have to multitask. And as we all know, it's not a very efficient way to work. You don't want them to multitask between teams. You want them to just work on one team. People are around me. Multitasking is not good for the individual. It's not it's not good for teams either. And then thirdly is to maximize the team's persistence. You want to build these teams in a way that they'll be reusable on future projects. You don't want them just build them specifically for this one project, because when people have to form new teams, and they have to go through the forming, storming, norming process all over again. And so you want to keep a team that's gelled, that's used to working together and knows how everybody on the team works. You want to keep them together. There's a guy behind me on his jet ski with his music playing loud. And so keep teams together as much as you can. Build them to be ongoing even after the project is done. And of course, for the teams, they need to be, as Amazon would have them, they need to be 2 pizza teams. If you can't feed this team with 2 pizzas, there's too many people on it. It's too many people on a team causes communication and coordination issues. Takes more time to communicate with a large team. And then the next one is minimize inter-team coordination. You want to build these teams so that they don't have too many dependencies outside of the team. They don't want to be too dependent on other teams. That coordination and synchronization takes time and just adds complexity to the project and can kind of delay things and add further risk to the project. Now, when you're building, the final idea that I'll put forth before you is that when you're building these teams, you need to have the input of the members on how to structure the teams. They need to have some say-so. If they have some say-so in it, then they're more likely to be happy with the end result. Okay, that's it. I hope these ideas have given you some idea how to, if you're putting a scrum of scrums together, how to build the individual scrums teams and how to use the scrum of scrum to coordinate them. And I'm getting bitten by mosquitoes and ants here. So I therefore need to conclude this video. If you like the video, please comment or share, etc. Otherwise, I'm going to close the video now and get out of here before I get eaten alive.